Welcome to this lesson on codons. Codons are fundamental units in molecular biology that serve as the bridge between genetic information and protein synthesis. Throughout this video, you'll learn about these 3-base RNA sequences and discover why there are exactly 64 possible codon combinations. Let's dive into the fascinating world of genetic code. A codon is defined as a sequence of 3 consecutive nucleotides in messenger RNA that specifies a particular amino acid or signals the start or stop of translation. Each codon acts like a 3-letter word in the genetic language. For example, the codon AUG is one of the most important codons you'll encounter. Think of codons as instructions that tell the cell which amino acid to add next during protein construction. To understand codons, you first need to know the 4 building blocks of RNA. These are the nucleotide bases: adenine, represented by the letter A, uracil, represented by U, guanine, represented by G, and cytosine, represented by C. Unlike DNA, which contains thymine, RNA uses uracil instead. These 4 bases are the alphabet of the genetic code, and every codon is made up of 3 of these letters. Now let's calculate how many different codons are possible. Since each codon consists of 3 positions, and each position can be filled by any of the 4 RNA bases, we multiply 4 times 4 times 4. This gives us 64 total possible codons. This mathematical combination means that the genetic code has 64 different 3-letter words to work with when specifying amino acids and translation signals. The 64 codons are divided into 3 functional categories. First, we have 61 sense codons, which code for the 20 amino acids that make up proteins. Second, there is one special start codon that initiates the translation process. Finally, there are 3 stop codons that terminate translation and signal the end of protein synthesis. Each type plays a crucial role in gene expression. The start codon is AUG, and it serves a dual purpose. Its primary function is to act as an initiation signal, marking where the ribosome should begin reading the messenger RNA sequence. Additionally, AUG codes for the amino acid methionine, which is why most proteins initially start with methionine. This codon is essential because without it, the cell wouldn't know where to begin building a protein. There are 3 stop codons: UAA, UAG, and UGA. These codons signal the end of protein synthesis. When the ribosome encounters any of these 3 codons, it knows to stop adding amino acids and release the completed protein chain. Unlike other codons, stop codons don't code for any amino acid. They simply tell the translation machinery that the protein is finished. An important feature of the genetic code is called degeneracy. This means that multiple codons can code for the same amino acid. Remember, there are 61 sense codons, but only 20 amino acids. This redundancy provides a protective buffer against mutations. If a genetic mutation changes one codon to another that still codes for the same amino acid, the protein remains unaffected. This built-in safety mechanism is one of nature's elegant solutions to maintaining genetic stability.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.